Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? When you smoke the herb, it reveals you to yourself. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. None but ourselves can free our minds. Money can't buy life. I have education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. If something can corrupt you, you're corrupted already. Tell the children the truth. If you're white and you're wrong, then you're wrong. If you're black and you're wrong, you're wrong. People are people. Black, blue, pink, green, God make no rules about color, only society make rules where my people suffer, and that why we must have redemption and redemption now. Me don't dip on nobody's side. Me don't dip on the black man's side, not the white man's side. Me dip on God's side, the one who create me and cause me to come from black and white. My future is righteousness. You entertain people who are satisfied. Hungry people can't be entertained, or people who are afraid. You can't entertain a man who has no food. Everything is political. I will never be a politician or even think political. Me just deal with life and nature. That is the greatest thing to me. Truth is everybody is going to hurt you, you just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. In this bright future you can't forget your past. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. When one door is closed, don't you know, another is open. Every time I plant a seed, he say kill it before it grow, he say kill it before they grow. I don't stand for the black man's side, I don't stand for the white man's side. I stand for God's side. Man is a universe within himself. The more people smoke herb, the more Babylon fall. I don't believe in death, neither in flesh nor in spirit.